In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view or cancel your QuickBooks Online subscription. First, make sure you are signed in to the correct QuickBooks Online company with an admin level role so you can access billing details. Once you're in, look for the search bar at the top of your QuickBooks screen. Type the word subscription, then press enter. QuickBooks will take you straight to the billing and subscription page. This is the hub where you can see everything about your current plan at a glance. Take a moment to review your plan name, billing frequency, next charge date, and the payment method on file. If you manage more than one company, double check that you're viewing the right company before you make any decisions. It's also a good time to confirm that the information here matches your expectations, like whether you're on a monthly or annual plan and when your next renewal is scheduled. Now, if your goal is simply to view your subscription, you're all set. You can leave this page once you've confirmed your details. But if you're here to stop service, look for the Cancel Subscription option on this same page and click it. QuickBooks will guide you through the cancellation flow on screen. Read each prompt carefully so you understand what happens next. Typically, cancellation ends future billing and your access continues until the end of your current billing period. That means you won't usually lose access immediately, but you won't be charged going forward once the cancellation is complete. Before you proceed, consider whether you'll need any records later. It's a smart idea to download key reports and save copies of invoices or receipts you may want for your files. If you work with an accountant, you may also want to let them know about the change so they can archive anything important on their end. As you continue, follow the on-screen steps to finish cancellation. If you change your mind, you can back out before confirming, and if you do complete the cancellation, you can typically come back later to reactivate, though features and pricing may vary over time. To recap, open QuickBooks Online, type subscription into the search bar, and review your billing and subscription page to see your plan and upcoming charges. If you need to end your plan, select cancel subscription and follow the prompts carefully. Take a moment to save any data you might need, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently view or cancel your QuickBooks Online subscription.